Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream and milkshakes. First, let's focus on ice cream. Begin by gathering your essential ingredients: heavy cream, whole milk, and sugar. A crucial step is to chill your ice cream maker bowl for a full 24 hours beforehand. Next, gently combine your dairy, sugar, and any desired flavorings in a saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat until the sugar completely dissolves and it slightly thickens. Then chill it thoroughly. Once your ice cream base is perfectly chilled, it's time for the exciting part: churning. Carefully pour the cold mixture into your pre-chilled ice cream maker. Let it churn for about 20 to 30 minutes. You'll see it transform into a delightful soft-serve consistency. After churning, transfer this soft ice cream into an airtight container. For the best results, freeze it for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight, to achieve that perfect scoopable firmness. Now, let's shift our focus to crafting a fantastic milkshake. The key is starting with your absolute favorite ice cream flavor. Begin by adding approximately 2 generous scoops of your chosen ice cream into a sturdy blender. Next, pour in about 1/2 cup of milk. You can adjust this amount to achieve your preferred thickness. Don't forget to include any exciting mix-ins you love, such as fresh fruit, chocolate syrup, or crushed cookies, for extra deliciousness. To ensure your homemade ice cream and milkshakes are always top-notch, remember a few key tips. Always use high-quality, fresh ingredients. This makes a significant difference in flavor and texture. For ice cream, ensure all your dairy products are extremely cold before churning. When making milkshakes, blend on high speed until the mixture is perfectly smooth and wonderfully creamy. Finally, have fun experimenting with various flavors and toppings to create your own unique and delicious frozen treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.